So the question is, how are we going to install Adobe Lightroom mobile on our Chromebooks? And so this video is going to walk through the slides that will explain to you how to do that. So for starters, on your Chromebook, you got to click on this icon right here, the Play Store icon. Okay? And again, on this video, you pause, rewind, or fast forward based on the speed you're going at. Because I'm expecting that you'll pause periodically as you're doing these things and watching the video. Okay, so once you click on the Play Store icon on your Chromebook, it'll open up this window, and you want to click on Adobe Lightroom right here, this one. Okay? And then if it says install, click install, and it will give you some feedback on the installation timing. You know, it'll be pending and installing. It could take a little while, so you probably want to pause this video while it's installing. After it's installed, you want to click open. Now if it said open and didn't say install, then obviously you click open. Okay, and that will get you to this page. It'll open up it'll open up Adobe Lightroom Mobile. So there's these 4 slides here. You could just click skip if you want to just go directly to the last slide, which is what I'm going to do here. And that gets you to the sign-in slide, okay, the sign-in screen. All right, so you want to click sign-in. All right, click the sign-in button. And you're going to put your student ID at poscschools.net. You're going to put your school email address, the same one you use for your Chromebook to log in. Okay, make sure you also, it's an email address, so you need the at poscschools.net. So this is your student ID. They all start with 20, and then you have some number after that, some numbers after that, and then at, and then poscschools.net. Then click continue, and this might be the next screen you see, right? This could be it. When you see this screen, you always want to click school account. You want to click this second choice. However, it's possible that it goes straight to this screen. And this is the screen you want to see for actually logging in. Now you've seen this before. This is your Google Chrome Google Chrome login screen. And again, you have to put your school email address in again, and this time you put your password, which is the FLMMDD, and click sign in, and that will get you here to the home page of Lightroom Mobile. All right, you would go through the same process if you were doing this on your phone, except if you have an iPhone, you'd go to the App Store instead of Google Play. But if you have an Android phone or Google phone, you can go to the Google Play, right? Google Play Store, and then search up Lightroom, and you will find that blue LR and install it on your phone. So you have it both on your Chromebook and on your phone. All right. The advantage of having it on your phone is that you can get the pictures from your phone into Lightroom very easily, and then go to your Chromebook and run Lightroom and have access to those images. Once they're in Lightroom, they're in the cloud, Adobe Cloud, your Creative Cloud, and you could share it across platforms. You can get to it on your Chromebook as well. Okay, and I recommend you use Chromebook for Lightroom because it's a bigger computer, bigger screen, got keyboard with everything, with the mouse, so it's just better to use Lightroom on your Chromebook. But again, getting it on your phone is good to get the images easily from your phone into Lightroom. Okay, so that's what I want you to do so that you have Lightroom available on your Chromebook as an application, as an app. Okay, and good luck.